How to lock your screen while watching YouTube. Start by opening the YouTube app on your device. Pick the video you want to watch and tap the settings gear icon in the top right corner. From the options that show up, tap on Lock Screen. Now the video will keep playing and your screen stays locked. If you want to unlock it, just tap anywhere on the screen and it'll bring the controls back. There's another way to do this using your phone's settings. Open the Settings app and scroll down until you see Security and Privacy. Tap on it. In this section, look for more security settings and tap on that too. Find the option called Allow Apps to be Pinned and turn the toggle on. Once that's enabled, go back and open YouTube. Play the video you want. Now close the app, then tap the Recents tab to bring up your open apps. Tap on the YouTube app icon and from the menu, select Pin this app. Now the app is pinned. You can't go to the home screen or switch apps. To unlock it, just press and hold both the Recents and Back buttons at the same time. That will unpin the app and bring you back to normal mode.